15 travel favorites for your next trip or vacation that make traveling easier. I recently got back from a family vacation where I used every single one of these products and I was like, these are all so good. I love them. I have to tell you about them. So we're gonna jump right into it. Links will be in the description below, at the QR code on the screen, and pinned to the comments. Let's check them out. Kicking off number one with a question. Do you need white noise to sleep? I 100% do. I cannot sleep without any sound. Maybe I'm a light sleeper, but I would hear everything and it would keep me up. So therefore, I need a white noise machine, but I don't want something big and bulky when I travel. I don't like to use an app on my phone all the time because half the time I forget to plug my phone into charge and it dies halfway through the night. So enter this tiny white noise machine. It is small but mighty. Do not be fooled by its size. For reference, here is my phone and here is the machine. You see in the video I'm showing, I compare it to a water bottle. It is so little and compact, but it gets the job done. Now, it is just a white noise that it puts out. It's not ocean or birds. You can't cycle through the sounds, just white noise, but you can adjust the volume. But even on like a low setting, it's nice and loud. And then you can set the timer for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or continuous. And then it comes with a little carrying case too. Perfect to toss in your luggage or your purse. If you sleep with white noise, check it out. It is so good. Okay, number two is for my Invisalign wearers, my retainer wearers. This is a little travel case to keep it in. When I first got Invisalign years ago, they gave me a little like case, but I do not know what happened with that. So I just purchased this one, but it's so nice because for years I didn't even have one. I was just like tossing my Invisalign in a pocket in my purse or wherever, which if you know, those trays are expensive. You don't want to lose them. So this is just a perfect little case. It fits them very easily. So again, if you have retainers or Invisalign, and you don't have a travel case for them, this one's great. Okay, number three, I stumbled upon a new contact lens case. I've shared another one in the past that I absolutely love. That is a great option too. What I love about this newest one is it's the same idea. You know, it has a mirror, it has a little bottle to hold solution, and then it has the container to hold your contacts. But this one also comes with a little tiny version of the cleaning basket. If you clean your contact lenses this way, this is the only way I've ever cleaned mine overnight. And so this way you always have the little basket on hand as well. So I will link both options because I love them both, but I never knew there was an option to travel with like a little basket smaller than the one that comes with our contact solution. And now there is. Number four, let me just say, I am not typically like skeeved out by dirt and germs and stuff, but there is something gross about your dirty shoes being in a suitcase with your clean clothes. So therefore, I love me a shoe cover. And I recently found this pack. I love this because it comes several to a pack. And I like that they are plastic because then they're easy to wipe clean. You can reuse them again and again. They fit everything from flip-flops to sneakers to boots. And this way you put them in the bag, cinch it shut, put it in your suitcase, and it keeps those dirty shoes away from your clean clothes. Number five is my latest favorite travel backpack. Now I have a pink one I have shared in the past. That thing is always sold out and mine was starting to really show wear and tear. So I was in the market for a new one. I found this one. It is not pink, believe it or not. It does come in other colors and it has so much storage. So first of all, it has the secret safety pocket in the back so you can put personal items there and nobody will see it, you know, up against your back there. It has waterproof pockets. So if you're putting something wet in there, it has a special section for your laptop and books and all of that. And then the main center compartment is nice and big to fit shoes and an entire outfit if you need to, or a couple tops or pants. And it comes with like 2 compression bags and a shoe bag as well. And then you have your front pockets also. Now let me tell you, I load my backpacks up and this one, it still fits under the seat in front of me on the plane. So you really can maximize your packings, especially great if you are an overpacker like me. Number 6, I love me a travel toiletry container, but let me tell you, I am so picky with these because I can't stand the ones that are like tall and narrow. And when you get home, it's impossible to get the contents back out of it. So I love a wide mouth container. I have 2 that I love. I will link the other ones as well. But these, what I really like is that they have these interchangeable labels on them. And I like that these magnetically stick together. So either way, you can't go wrong with either version that I'm showing because again, I like that wide mouth. Not only does it make it easy to scoop out the contents, but then when you get home, if you have any left over in there and you want to pour it back into its original bottle, it's easy to get everything out and then clean them out. as well. So absolutely love these. And these, the new magnetic ones do come in other colors and their own little carrying case as well. Number 7 is this little ring holder. Now this can actually just be good anytime to keep on the side of your purse. If maybe you're going to the gym or somewhere and you want to be able to take your ring off and keep it secure, you can pop it in here and it has a clip to clip onto things. But I love this for travel because it can hold several rings and then it has little spacers in between to protect each one. And so you can really just like load them up in there and have all your rings in one spot. Number 8, I'm so glad somebody thought of this. I love pore pads or like any type of just round like makeup remover, but a lot of times they come in really big bulky containers. Now you could take them out and put them into a Ziploc bag, but I love this little travel container because it is basically like a round pad container, but it's a lot smaller, so it still holds a lot, all you would probably need for a trip. And then I love that it has the little tweezers so that you can individually pick one up without having to get your fingers all through there. So totally genius, just an easier way to travel with your pore pads or makeup wipes. And then speaking of makeup, number 9 is this set of mini makeup brushes. Comes with everything you would need: foundation, blush, contour, eyeshadow, eyeliner, you name it. But I love that then they're all in this little case that also has a mirror and an LED light. So if you're somewhere with bad lighting, you can still do your makeup and see yourself easily. So love this, good little gift idea for somebody too. Number 10 is this Valet Tray. Now this is something you don't probably need, but it is actually really nice to have, and you can use this at home too. So I love it, snaps together, it stores totally flat in your suitcase, but then you just snap the sides together to create this little tray, and it's perfect for putting your jewelry or maybe some loose change. But I love it for jewelry because I don't love just like putting my bracelets and rings and earrings and necklaces just on a dresser or a nightstand, because I'm always afraid I'm gonna like knock something off and not realize it and lose it. So this just allows you to keep them all in one spot. And then again, it packs flat and you could just use it at home as well. Number 11, you already know, I love traveling with a portable charger. Well, one of my favorite brands, Rory, has come out with yet another great option. You cannot go wrong with any of theirs. I will link several that I like in the description, but this new one is also equally as great. So what's cool about the Rory chargers is that it has a spot to charge an Apple Watch. I think you can also charge your AirPods on that too, just by laying it on there, or you can use the cords. And they have cords for like different port types, so it can charge any type of, phone, depending on, I never know, is it USB-C, USB-A, all the things, but 2 different style charging ports is what I'm getting at. They have the clip, so it can clip onto a bag. They come in several different colors, and when you turn it on there on the bottom, it shows the charge at the bottom so that you know when the charge on this is running low and you have to recharge it. Typically with Rory chargers, if I have like my phone's totally dead, one of their portable chargers will charge my phone back to 100% and I still will have a charge left on here, so you can get more than one charge out of it. So I cannot say enough good things. If you need a good portable charger, I love all of theirs. I will link several in the description. Number 12, these slip-on sneakers by All Swift, if I'm saying that brand right. They come in several colors. At first, I wasn't sure my thoughts on these because when you get them out of the box, they almost look like a little, I was like, is this like a moon shoe? But they look really cute on and they are so comfortable. So they have just like a good cushiony layer. So if you are going to Disney or an amusement park or anywhere where you're gonna be walking around for extended periods of time, I think it is a great shoe for that. And then for airports or just travel in general, I love that they are a slip-on. You don't have to mess with laces, easy to just slip right on and off. So can't say enough good things if you need a good travel sneaker or just I'm gonna be walking for a long period of time sneaker. Number 13 I've shared before, but it's my favorite way to travel with necklaces because this allows them to not get tangled. And I like that it's not a hard shell, it's soft, so it's easy to pack as well. So you unroll this, it's like velvety soft inside. Each necklace goes into its own compartment and snaps into place. And then you can cover them up to protect them, and then you roll it and it keeps the necklaces away from one another so they don't get tangled. I love this. Finally, a good solution for traveling with necklaces. Number 14, it's perfect for a trip, but also just to keep in your bag to have on the go. It is these travel sunscreen packets. It's SPF 50. It's a mineral sunscreen, so I love that. No harsh chemicals. It smells great. It's not overly greasy or oily, and it blends in really well and does not leave a white cast. And what's cool about them is you just snap it, like fold it in half, snap it, and then it'll come out the middle. And let me tell you, a little goes a long way Do not be deceived by these tiny packets. They pack a lot of sunscreen in there. You really can cover your whole self head to toe and be good to go. So again, perfect for travel or just keeping in your purse. And lastly, number 15, these little pop-up wipes. These are so cool. Another one that's just easy to keep in your glove box or your purse or toss into a suitcase, just to always have wipes on hand. So these just are little discs, and then when you need it, you simply push down on it and the like liquid gets into the wipe and it expands, and then you have like a normal size wipe. Parents, absolutely a must to keep on hand, you know, sticky hands with kids. Great, again, for amusement parks or Disney or sporting events or days at the beach or the pool. I mean, so many uses, and you get several to a pack. So just a great solution for wipes on the go. All right, and that does it. Just 15 of my latest favorite finds for travel that hopefully make trips easier and more seamless. And I have even more travel videos that I've done in the past with totally different items. So I will drop the links to those in the description below. And then again, everything that I showed here today is linked in the description, pinned to the comments, or at the QR code on the screen. And I will see you in my next video.